Ever wondered what cryptocurrencies are? Well, today is your lucky day as we dive deep into the world of virtual currencies. Cryptocurrencies have taken the world by storm, transforming how we perceive and conduct financial transactions. First, let's define cryptocurrency. Essentially, it's a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. This makes it extremely difficult to counterfeit. Cryptocurrencies leverage blockchain technology to gain decentralization, transparency, and immutability. Now, imagine a world where you control your money without any interference from banks or governments. Sounds like a dream, right? That's exactly what Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, offers. Created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group of people known as Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network separate from any central authority. Bitcoin's appeal lies in its potential to become a universal currency, unaffected by any country's economic situation. It is also finite, with only 21 million Bitcoins ever to be mined, which arguably adds to its value. On the other side of the spectrum, we have Ethereum. Unlike Bitcoin, which is purely a digital currency, Ethereum is more than that. It's a platform that allows developers to build and operate decentralized applications. The currency used within the Ethereum network is called Ether. Ethereum's charm comes from its smart contract functionality. This feature allows automatic transactions to occur when predefined conditions are met. This eliminates the need for a third party, making transactions faster and potentially more secure. Now let's talk about Ripple. Unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, Ripple doesn't operate on a blockchain. Instead, it uses a distributed consensus ledger using a network of validating servers and crypto tokens called XRP. This unique structure makes Ripple incredibly fast and efficient for cross-border transactions. And then we have Litecoin, often considered the silver to Bitcoin's gold. Created by Charlie Lee in 2011, Litecoin offers a faster block generation time and a different hashing algorithm. This makes it a favorite for merchants and e-commerce stores. In summary, each cryptocurrency offers unique features. Bitcoin, with its potential to become a universal currency, Ethereum, with its smart contract functionality, Ripple, with its efficient cross-border transaction capabilities, and Litecoin, with its quick block generation time. Remember, this is just the tip of the cryptocurrency iceberg. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own unique features and uses. The world of cryptocurrency is exciting and ever-evolving, promising a future where financial transactions are decentralized, secure, and efficient. Whether you're planning to invest or just intrigued by the concept, understanding cryptocurrencies can provide a fascinating insight into the future of finance. So, continue to explore, learn, and who knows where this knowledge might take you. After all, in the world of cryptocurrencies, the possibilities are virtually endless.